Hey everybody, here is my beef and noodle recipe that I use probably once every 2 weeks. My family loves it. We've shared it with other families. They love it too. The beginning is so easy, I didn't even film it. You just put the beef and the 2 cans of soup, no extra water, into the inner pot. Make sure it's on seal and you set it to 90 minutes at high pressure. This video will start after that step has been accomplished. Okay, so you can see it's actually been on warm for an hour and 44 minutes. The pressure is released. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It did not take this long for the pressure to release, but I had stuff I was doing. So I just let it sit here. It's too bad you can't do a smell video because it smells amazing. Now the beef is just a big roast right now. So I always take 2 knives. And I just shred it in here. Or excuse me, 2 forks, not 2 knives. And I shred it in here. This is my preferred way of shredding, is just getting it's almost like using 2 claws, using 2 forks. So now it's nice and shredded. And I'm going to go ahead and hit saute. So you can see it's on saute down here. And I'm going to go ahead and let this heat up until it's boiling on the saute. It'll take a little longer. It's pretty warm, but I'm about to add in a carton, 32 ounces of beef broth. Like I said, I really like making this early in the day. That beef can just sit there as long as you want it to on the warm, to keep warm with the natural pressure release until you're ready to do this part. And then even once I have my beef and noodles all set and ready, I like it to just sit and soak up all the juices, and it's just so good if you don't rush it. So it's on saute and we're going to get it to boil. Okay, so that took about 10 minutes to boil after I added the beef broth. And now I'm going to add in these Kluski home-style noodles. It's a pound of them. And I'm going to dump them right into the boiling water, or excuse me, boiling broth, beef mixture. And this truly is just going to cook the noodles, and we're not going to have to drain anything. Keep it on saute. Once they get a little tender, I turn it on to just keep warm eventually. So that'll cook those noodles for us. Okay, so these noodles are definitely soft. You can see they're pliable, but they're not done cooking. Now this is what I feel like is a very important step in making the beef and noodles the way my family likes it. Take it, and we cancel the saute, and I hit keep warm. They keep warm, and now it'll just turn off the high heat as if it were on a stovetop, and it's just going to let that heat cook the noodles the rest of the way, and it's also going to soak up a lot of that broth. I always just put this on, not fully, more to just protect it from my cats, but I also don't want the pressure to build up again, because it will. That's happened to me accidentally before when I put the lid back on. So and keep warm. So this is what it looks like after 28 minutes warming. It looks that delicious. And that's how I love to serve it to my family, with the noodles soaking in all the broth. Good luck and enjoy. Salt and pepper as you wish.